How to reset camera settings on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application. And Blackmagic Cam homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap settings. In settings, scroll down and below, you can see here the reset section. Okay, here you can see the reset Blackmagic Cam settings. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see here the reset camera settings. To reset camera settings on Blackmagic camera app, okay, you'll have to do is tap this and you can see below the pop-up. So reset camera settings, this will revert all settings to default. So you can tap the reset button to reset all camera settings on Blackmagic camera app. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully reset camera settings on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.